Alright, so the next part that we're going to talk about is the media library. So what's the media library? If you want to access the media library of your from your dashboard, all you have to do is go to the left side and click on the media library button here. So when you click on media library, it's going to take you to the media library section. But what's the media library all about? The media library is a section that consists and houses all of your website media files. And when we are talking about media files, I'm referring to images, videos, documents, audios, and other supported media files by WordPress. So that is all the media files that exist in your website, whether it is images or videos or documents or audios. So you're going to see it from your media library, and from there you get to have a better view of all the media files that exist in your website. So that is all the pictures, the videos, the documents, and the audios that you've been uploaded on your website. So it is from this media library section that you get to view all of this. So it is from this media library section that you're going to be able to view all of these media files. And more importantly, you can do a lot of things in this media library section. You can add new media files, you can edit existing one by reciting it, you can even delete a media file if you do not want it, if you no longer want it, and you can also do more. So let's go into the practical section and see how this works. So this is my media library section, and here I have the media files that I've already uploaded. So if I want to add a new media file, so all you have to do is click on the add new button here. So when you click on the add new button here, it's going to bring a button where you can select your files. So as you can see, it says maximum upload file size 16 megabytes. That is the maximum file that I can upload at the time is 16 megabytes, but you can change this. You can actually change this from your PHP settings, which is quite an advanced section part, which I don't want us to go into the part right now. So if you want to add a new files, you click on select files. So you click on select files, and then you can actually select any of the files that you want to upload. So let me just click on this picture of myself that I designed. So now that I've clicked on the picture, now the files now exist in the dashboard. So, and if you want to see the files, so you can click on it, so you can see. So I have this picture here, and this picture is now in inside my dashboard. That is, I can actually use it on any part of my website. So that's how you can add a new media file. So now let's talk about, now we've talked about how to add a new media file. So let's talk about how to edit existing one, either by resizing it or by adding more details about it. So this is my media library. So I'm just going to take it all over again. So once you are in your dashboard and you want to go to your media library, so you click on the media library button here, and now I'm inside my media library. So let's say I want to edit an existing media files, either by resizing it or by adding more details. So all you have to do is click on that media files that you want. So let me take the picture of this clock, for instance. So now I have this picture here. So you can do a lot of things with this picture when it comes to editing it. So you can add an alternate text. So the alternate text is to describe the purpose of this image. That is, what type of image is it? So you can just say clock image. So you can give it. So this alternate text is actually best for SEO and also for accessibility options. So in the case of maybe your picture, your article, the part where you're using this picture, if it's loading, so it's going to show this alt text. And also search engine make use of alt text to know what a picture is like. So the title, I'm going to give the title as an image of a clock hand. So caption, I can decide to leave the caption blank. So description, this is a picture of a clock. So let me leave it as a clock. So I have the alt text there, I have the title, and I have the description here. So, and you can actually see the details of the picture here. You can see uploaded on January 28, 2022. That was the date that I actually upload the picture. You can see the file name, you can see the file type. The file type says it's an image. You can see the dimensions, which is the size the size, that is 512 by 512. You can also see used as site icon, that is I'm currently using it as a site icon. So that's all about that. I've edited an image, and if you click on it, it's going to maintain the description that I give. Now another part that you can also do when it comes to editing part, so we are also going to do an editing by resizing the picture. So we're going to make use of another image. So for instance, so let's say I want to so I have this picture right there, so and I want to resize it. So all you have to do is you click on the edit image here. So if you want to resize an image, so let's say it's you want to make it smaller, you want to make it less big, you want to make it smaller, or you want to make it bigger. So all you have to do is click the button here, edit image. So when you click on edit image, you can now click on crop from here. So from crop here, you can now decide to crop it. So let me crop it yeah, and enter. So now I have it cropped already. So and that's all of that, and you can click on save. So when you click on save, it's going to maintain it as that the picture has been cropped. So you, as you can see that it has been cropped. So you can also decide to rotate an image, either by rotating it left, or you can also rotate it by, so you can see you can also rotate it right, you can flip it vertically, and you can also flip it horizontally. So anyhow it is you want it, it's going to work fine. So you can just play around with the edit image by resizing and the like. So you can also type in the dimension that you wanted. So let's say 560 by 278. So if you click on save, so it's going to automatically scale it down to that size. So that's all about that on editing. And finally, you can also delete an existing media file. So let's say I have this audio. Okay, let me leave this audio. So let me leave this audio as it is. I'm going to make use of another media file. So let's say I want to delete this picture. So if you want to delete a picture, so all you have to do is you scroll down, and when you scroll down, you move your cursor to the bottom right corner here, and you click on delete permanently. So when you click on delete permanently, click on OK. So now we have it deleted as it is. So now we have that picture. So you can click on so let me delete another picture. Okay, for instance, let's say I want to delete this picture. So you scroll down and click on the cursor at the bottom right, then delete it. And that's all about how to delete it. So that's all you need to know for now. You can also apply changes to multiple media files by clicking box select here. So you can click on this and this, then you can decide to delete them permanently. So that's all you need to know about the media library. So you can as well as play around to see how it works.